We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones, a Bluetooth sleeping mask headband designed for side sleepers and anyone seeking better sleep through sound and darkness. This product combines a sleep mask and wireless headphones into one comfortable, functional device. The 3D contour design effectively blocks out light, which is essential for restful sleep, and the adjustable Velcro strap ensures a snug fit that stays in place throughout the night. Users report that this combination of features makes it ideal not only for sleep, but also for relaxation, naps, yoga, and meditation without the need for additional headphones. The MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones come with built-in Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream your own music, podcasts, or sleep sounds from your smartphone, tablet, or other compatible devices. Additionally, it offers a white noise mode with 16 soothing sounds, which can be used without connecting to any external device. This dual-mode functionality is a significant advantage for those who want a peaceful sleep environment without always relying on their phone. The sound quality is described as clear and well-balanced, with HD ultra-thin stereo speakers that do not interfere with side sleeping comfort. Battery life is another strong point. The upgraded 240 mAh battery provides over 14 hours of playtime with just a 2-hour charge. This long-lasting battery supports uninterrupted use through the night and includes a timer function that automatically turns the device off after a set period between 30 and 120 minutes, conserving battery life as you fall asleep. Users appreciate the quick charging and the ability to use the headphones all night without frequent recharging. Comfort is a key focus of the MUSICOZY design. Made with premium memory foam and a soft ice silk lining, the mask is breathable and gentle on the skin, making it suitable for extended wear. The removable Bluetooth module allows the mask to be washed, which is a practical feature for maintaining hygiene. Many users with sensitive skin or those who suffer from discomfort with traditional headphones find this mask to be a welcome alternative. The product is especially praised by side sleepers. The flat, round speakers are small and unobtrusive, allowing users to sleep on their sides without feeling pressure on their ears or face. The adjustable strap ensures the mask stays securely in place without slipping off during the night. A small fabric piece near the nose provides breathing room and prevents the mask from pressing too tightly on the nose, enhancing overall comfort. From a usability standpoint, the controls are simple and intuitive. The volume and power buttons are located on the top of the mask, making it easy to adjust settings without removing the mask. Bluetooth pairing is straightforward and reliable, with the pairing button being the most frequently used control. Users note that once the volume is set, they rarely need to adjust it, which simplifies the experience. Several users have shared personal stories about how the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones have improved their quality of life. For example, one user with chronic pain conditions and neuropathies found that the mask helped them fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer without the need for medication. Another user dealing with night terrors and nightmares found the product transformative, allowing them to achieve restful sleep and even use it for daytime meditation sessions. The ability to block out both light and unwanted noise makes it suitable for couples with different sleeping schedules. The product package includes the Bluetooth sleep mask, a USB charging cable, a user manual, earplugs, and a portable carrying bag, which adds to its convenience for travel and storage. The mask's lightweight and compact design make it easy to carry and use anywhere, whether at home, on a plane, or camping. While the overall feedback is very positive, some users mention that the product may eventually fail after a few years of use, which is common for electronic sleep aids. However, the durability during normal use is generally good, and the company's design allows for replacement and continued use. The washable feature of the mask is also a significant benefit, keeping the product fresh and hygienic over time. In summary, the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones offer a well-rounded solution for those seeking to improve their sleep quality through sound and darkness. Its combination of comfort, sound quality, long battery life, and ease of use makes it a standout product in the sleep aid category. Whether you are a side sleeper, someone who struggles with insomnia, or simply want to enhance your relaxation routine, this product is highly recommended. If you have experience with this sleep mask, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.